KHADC Deputy Chief Executive Member Pinchngan Aim has said the Executive Committee EC followed all necessary procedures before constituting the Delimitation Committee DC. He told a group of reporters that the Council carried out a similar exercise in 2013. Aim said the EC decided to carry out the delimitation exercise following several petitions from various individuals, localities and villages. He said the exercise was needed since questions were being raised on the huge differences in the numbers of electors among the constituencies. He also said some people have been talking about the possible extension of the House, even as he added that the plan at the moment is to hold the election before the end of the term of the present House.
Pangin Constitute yaga Delimitation Committee nyo yaga approval now governor. Bau governor ulah sya yangi bangin Constitute yaga Delimitation Committee. Dan ngisa notify yaga but hadin maka Delimitation Committee ka report syangi ka Executive Committee di place yaga po house but ngipang sa po house yaga Delimitation Bill. Dikani ka bamentaru kawan kumju hi hagapor jonga aja karlai gubernur OM di Bandung ka Delimitation Committee kenang bakan le exercise kapa benia bah dia jemut kolong bentau kani ban le benia bah kenang bakan amdon kanu ka jingle thurumur